In Brand24, tags are like digital labels that you can attach to mentions, conversations, or influencers. They serve as a way to categorize and organize your data effectively. Navigate to the dashboard, locate the mentions you wish to tag, and effortlessly order them by following simple steps. First, select the mentions you want to tag, then click on the Tags button. Here, you have the option to choose from existing tags. But what if you want to create a new tag? Not to worry, it's just as easy. Simply scroll down in the filter box to the Tags filter. Once there, click on the gear icon, and voila! You can now add a tag of your liking seamlessly. This user-friendly process ensures that customizing your labels is a breeze, allowing you to organize your data precisely how you want it. Now let's talk about how tags can help you organize your insights. You can use tags to group mentions by campaign, sentiment, product, or any other criteria that matter to your business. This makes it easy to track your marketing efforts' success and identify improvement areas. Tags also play a crucial role in trend analysis. You can quickly identify patterns and stay ahead of the curve by tagging mentions related to specific topics or events. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using tags in Brand24.